Hey everyone, I'm Brielle from Rick's Review Hub, and I'm thrilled to dive into the Beelicious Pro 32-quart extra large air fryer. If you're looking for a kitchen appliance that can whip up meals for a crowd or replace half your kitchen gadgets, this might be your new favorite. Let's get cooking. First, let's break down what makes this air fryer so awesome. This 32-quart beast is a 19-in-1 combo with functions like air frying, baking, roasting, toasting, broiling, rotisserie, and dehydrating. It's got 1,800 watts of power and a double glass door to lock in heat, cooking up to 30% faster with MaxCrisp tech for crispy results. The digital touchscreen offers 19 presets for pizza, wings, or even proofing dough, and it fits a 13-inch pizza, 9 slices of toast, or a 10-pound turkey. You get 6 dishwasher-safe accessories, including a rotisserie spit, fry basket, and baking pan, plus a cookbook with 30 recipes. Now, the pros: this air fryer is a powerhouse, perfect for big families or parties, cooking whole meals at once with even heat. The rotisserie makes juicy chickens in under an hour, and the presets are super easy for beginners. It's quiet, easy to clean, and saves counter space by replacing multiple appliances. Users love the crispy fries and moist roast with little oil. On the con side, it's bulky, so you'll need a big counter. The back vent can blow hot air, so keep it clear to avoid wall or outlet damage. Some folks find the touchscreen learning curve tricky at first, and it's pricey, around $200. Who's this for? If you're hosting gatherings, meal prepping, or want a versatile appliance for healthy cooking, this air fryer is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for large kitchens, but might overwhelm small spaces or solo cooks. Consider a smaller model if that's you. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click the link in the description for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's keep those meals delicious.